Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to sanitize or clean up a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open the PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor, select File option and select here Open, and you will find this Cloud, Computer and Recent document. I have already opened this PDF file. Now select this Protect option, this top menu bar, and here you will find this Hidden Data option. Click on this down arrow and this is sanitize document option. Click here and see this all of this option will clean up. Now select OK and save as a PDF file. Now see this PDF file of fully clean up and sanitize. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and